Whether you're an informal rider, a daily commuter, or a professional cyclist, having the proper gear for the journey will build an enormous difference. Looking for a special gift for your bike? Desire a handsome bag to satisfy all of your urban sport needs? Or even a high-tech helmet or a brand new lighting system to boost your visibility in traffic? What a couple of collars that work like an airbag for your head. Designed to satisfy your each demand on the road, these innovative, design-savvy bike gadgets and accessories can make your ride as sleek as silk while not sacrificing vogue for safety or the other approach around. Welcome back to our new video series. In today's video we have listed 10 cool bicycle gadgets available on Amazon. If you love any of these gadgets you can buy these gadgets from Amazon by click the link in description. So without wasting time, let's get started. SmartHalo 2. There are more than a few ways for cyclists to find their way around without pulling out their smartphone these days, from audio devices that mount to your helmet to belts that buzz when a turn needs to be made. The SmartHalo was a particularly pretty solution for that. The SmartHalo 2 is also a circular, minimal device that mounts in the center of the handlebars and uses a ring of colored lights to provide turn-by-turn signals, guiding the rider to their destination once they've entered it in the smartphone app. And because your bicycle is important, this smart biking system even includes a 110 decibels anti-theft alarm and always stays on your bike to protect it. Additionally, handlebar space being limited, SmartHalo 2 has a powerful front light. With this bicycle computer, you'll even get a built-in activity tracker that monitors your cycling metrics like your speed, distance, and calories burned. Among other features, this biking computer connects to your smart home, updates weather conditions, and notifies you of incoming messages. In short, this is not another overly complex bike computer. It's an all-in-one bicycle accessory for cyclists who want everything without the complicated display. Livall Smart Helmet. Smart systems like Bluetooth connectivity and heads-up displays are turning our helmets into infotainment systems on the go. While most good helmets are still at the stage of concept, they offer America a glimpse of what the longer term of cycling may find itself wanting like. At the front, the helmet is equipped with a headlight and a 4K HD camera, while the back of the lid features a taillight that acts both as a brake and as a turn signal. In case of emergency, the lighting system can act as a four-way hazard flasher for additional safety. Inside the helmet, a heads-up display projects the relevant information directly on the visor including speed, battery life, caller ID, warnings, and navigation instructions. On each side, on top of the visor opening mechanism, two buttons allow the rider to easily access some of the helmet's functionalities. When pressed down, the left-hand side button allows the rider to communicate with their passenger. The button features a circular display where Bluetooth pairing status, battery life, and Wi-Fi connection are displayed. The right-hand side button can be used for call management. The Hexagon. Hexagon has come up with a REARVIZ system for bicycles that transmits a live image to your handlebar-mounted phone screen so you can see who's steaming up behind you. The camera is housed in a very unit that mounts below your saddle that is then paired via Wi-Fi to your smartphone, which sits in a holder on your handlebars. The device is also an automatic stoplight and a pair of turn signals, among other things. The Hexagon comes with a 6000 mAh power bank, which sits under the phone mount so you can recharge your phone when you're out and about. The mobile application also offers a parental control system where you can monitor your child's riding, their location and the time they arrive at their destination. You can also live broadcast your ride to your social networks or record video to the South Dakota card. When it's running, you'll be able to see a rear view of the road, your current speed and your position on an on-screen map. Roadwarez. Most cyclists will tell you that the main way to stay safe on the road is to know and understand all its rules, but there's now a better and smarter way that still follows those while also improving your quality of life while cycling. Meet the Roadwarez Smart City Pack. This is a smart, Bluetooth-enabled cycling backpack that helps to increase the visibility of a cyclist on the road. It achieves this through its integrated LED grid by signaling surrounding drivers and cyclists about your maneuvers and thus increasing your safety while in traffic. The backpack was designed with all of your daily commutes problems in mind, proving to be 100% waterproof. Not only that, but the Smart City Pack is both stylish and comfortable and also offers its users an interior sleeve that's big enough to carry any 153 laptop. This means you can wear it while riding your bicycle to work, university, or any other place where you wish to take your laptop with you. Portable Tire Inflator. REARVIZ Smart and Portable Tire Inflator is a super portable and handheld inflator for different kinds of tires, be it car, bicycle, or motorcycle. The tire inflator is also useful for other inflatable objects like sports balls, air mattresses, inflatable swimming pools, etc. Inflate your tires automatically with just one click. It delivers up to 150 sight that can be used for inflating car tires, bike tires, sports balls, beach balls, swim rings, air mattresses, and other inflatables, etc. Mojeedu Lightning is portable, yet powerful to meet all your inflation needs. Offer you the easiest way to fast inflate a car tire in 9 minutes. Powered by a fast rechargeable 2600 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion battery, one charge lasts long enough to inflate all family cars. The REARVIZ Mojeedu Lightning Tire Inflator comes with 3 extra nozzle attachments to serve multiple purposes. The nozzles can fit most tires and balls on the market, as well as recreational inflatables. Hovding Cyclist Airbag. Hovding is an interesting product, worn around the neck and replaced conventional bicycle helmets. In the event of an accident, Hovding activates an airbag that envelops and protects your head. The technology is impressive and sure to work. It works by way of sensors which take measurements 200 times a second to make a decision as to whether it should inflate or not. There is no danger of it going off when not in use either. To arm the airbag, you need to close a popper button near the zip after you have put it on. It is available in 3 sizes: small, medium, large, and comes as standard in black, with custom color options available for the fashion-conscious. The One Folding Bike. The One is not just another electric folding bike. This electric bike is light, compact, durable, flexible, and affordable. At only 12.5 kilograms, the One is currently the lightest folding electric bike on the market. It contains more than 20 patents, is only 25 centimeters wide when folded, folds in less than 10 seconds, and boasts many more cool features. The One's folding mechanism is quick and easy, making it perfect for everyday use. Foldable in less than 10 seconds to a compact width of just 25 centimeters and makes it ideal for your go-to choice for your commute. The One has a 250-watt customized high-speed, brushless motor that allows for a high energy conversion rate of 95%. This translates to a 30% higher performance compared to a conventional motor. Greater efficiency means riding longer distances and less battery energy consumption. In pedal-assisted mode, the US version reaches a max speed of approximately 32 km per hour. REARVIZ Rotatable Bike Mirror. The REARVIZ is the world's first arm-mounted rear-view mirror for cyclists. Cycling has never been safer with the new wearable mirror that gives you a pair of eyes on the back of your head when you ride. With a fully rotatable base and a mirror that pivots 180 degrees, riders can position their mirror anywhere on their arm to find the perfect rearward vision to suit their eyesight and riding style. REARVIZ design eliminates road vibration, giving you a clear view of what's coming up behind you. Throw away that handlebar mirror that constantly breaks and the eyeglass mirror that shudders and shakes. The REARVIZ rear view mirror is the latest safety phenomenon, keeping thousands of cyclists safe around the world. The key benefit of this style is that it also comes with both a long and short armband which has a medical ID tag pouch. Green Disc. Green Disc is a smart tool for the basic supply of your bicycle chain. Small, rechargeable, and very easy to use. All you have to do is let it spin. The freely rotating lubricator wheel is applicator and lubricant reservoir in one. It distributes just the right amount of lubricant your chain needs while absorbing fine metal abrasion. You can hold the green disc between your fingers, press it onto your chain, and let your crank rotate backwards. Lubrication is fully automatic. Its good adhesive power and guarantees a low noise and smooth running of your chain. No oil splashes around, no oil leaks when you carry the green disc in your pocket. GARMIN FENIX 6 Solar. GARMIN has launched the latest flagship lineup of multi-sport GPS smartwatches. They have named the latest release of these smartwatches the FENIX 6 series. It is the first smartwatch that features solar charging. The flagship FENIX 6X make use of charging solar lens that is transparent and allows it to incorporate the energy of the sun and extend the span of the battery by a couple of days. This smartwatch has a display of 1.4 inches, and this is bigger than the older versions of the FENIX 5 models. The watch's battery life is normally 21 days. Great thing is Power Glass can add 3 days to that, or 6 hours of GPS usage. It will come with 32 GB of storage, which you can fill with music from Deezer, Amazon Music, Spotify and listen to your Bluetooth headphones. You can view notifications from your phone and use specific apps, as well as Garmin Pay. The watch's titanium body measures 51mm in diameter and 14.9mm in thickness. Let us know by comments below how did you like this gadget? So what is your favorite gadget? Let us know in the comment box. If you got value from this video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated.